Welcome back to Sailing on the Venture. This week, sail along with Craig, Steve, and I as we leave Chat and Chill, Great Exuma, and head up the coast of the Exumas to Staniel Key. And it is a great day full of all kinds of different weather, ending in quite a little windstorm at the end as we go through the cut to Staniel Key. We have a great time. We go to the Thunderball Grotto. We have some great dining and shopping, and we see the sharks. Stay tuned. We're waking up to kind of a blustery morning here. We're going to have kind of a partly cloudy but good wind sail to Staniel Key today. We're getting an early morning start, probably off around 6:30, 6:45. See you in Staniel Key.
I didn't have it shaved.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Precious.
Sunshine.
How are you?
Better than I deserve. Thanks.
Good. Did you get a good night?
I did.
Oh, good. Okay. So what the hell are we doing up here in the front? All three of us. Hi, Randy.
Hey, Craig. Good morning.
What are we doing here?
We're adjusting the trampoline.
Oh, no, we're not.
We got about 50 miles to Staniel Key, so we're getting a real early start. It's about 6:15, and we're going to get the anchor up and get headed north.
All right, great. Let's do it.
Okay. And then you're making us some huevo rancheros.
That's right. That's after the ribeye sandwiches.
Right.
So will you be getting... Yeah, Lisa's such an expert at anchoring. We're just trying to fill her shoes.
That's all.
Yeah.
Great job, Lisa. And Lisa's frankly cuter than Steve too, so. Hey, I say
Turn
it
off
like
the camera for a second.
I say it like I see it. We're gonna turn this puppy back on. It's up.
Well, I'm just about. Pull it all the way up.
Well, I gotta tell you, it is a beautiful day. It really is. It's whether it's cloudy or clear, the water is so clear, it's just a magnificent day. So we're headed out now. How exciting. It looks like the sun is breaking through the clouds. This is clearing up just a while.
We just had kind of light, misty rain we have to leave with. This is like great. I'm happy.
Well, I'm just in the front of the boat and out of the action, and where nothing ever happens, and something is happening. That line is going across here and going across my stomach here, and I don't know. And look, my view's going away. What the heck's happening? Whoa. Huh. Looks like there's some sail going on. Why does that sail go? Whoa. That goes a long way. Well, we're out here in the ocean. We got a little bit of traffic going, and there's a catamaran going by the other way. And it is another beautiful day, but definitely feeling the waves. Hey Steve, what's going on?
Sailing.
Oops. Hand Steve. No hand.
Go ahead. Take a look at it.
There you go. So we're going about 11 knots, is that right?
4.6.
4.6 knots, okay. Now we could go faster, right? But we decided we didn't want to.
It would be a speed limit.
That's right. Where we headed, buddy?
I don't know.
Okay.
Staniel Key.
Staniel Key.
It's
Okay.
fixed.
Home of the swimming pigs.
It's fixed, so it's done.
All right, and good. And Randy was able to fix. Some idiot busted a little closing knob or whatever. What do you call that?
But we're not going to mention which idiot.
No.
It'd be either Peter Pete.
It's right. Well, it'd be routine. So anyway, Randy was able to fix that just in there.
Keep on going further, 'cause I can't keep my mind off.
Hey, Randy.
Hey, Craig.
How you doing, bud?
I'm doing great.
Wonderful.
We're finally moving.
That's right. That's right. You look like you were being a little challenged this morning.
Yes. Yeah, so we didn't get all the rain we were supposed to get this morning, but we didn't get all the wind either.
That's right. That's right. In fact, I don't know that we got any rain, did we?
No? Well, just early in the morning while we were sleeping, but none under sail, so better than expected.
Right. And then now we're going. How fast we going now, buddy?
We're about 5.7 to 6 knots.
Oh, great.
So we're moving, we've got some nice wind,
That's right.
and
There were some sailboats that were making some time on us, but we caught up to them.
we're pulling away now.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
winning the race today,
Oh yeah.
which is awesome.
That's right. That's right.
We love when we win, right?
Means we're
Yeah.
getting it all we can get, right?
Absolutely.
That's good. A lot of fun.
Yep.
All right, but we'll catch up later.
Okay.
I leave what's left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. And when I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it. Is by the end of the road. So I walk and I keep on walking.
Hey, Randy, you were just talking about Lisa. Is Lisa tracking us?
I think Lisa's tracking us today.
Yeah.
It's Friday, so it's kind of her day off. She usually gets stuff done, and I think she's tracking us because she's inquiring on our ETAs.
Does she think you're just dogging it a little
I
bit?
think she thinks we're dogging it out here today, having too much fun and not moving.
Or maybe not. We don't have the competency on board without her being here.
Well, that could be true. She's. I
I
know it. She keeps things moving aboard.
I felt my first raindrop.
Did you?
I felt two of them, matter of fact.
Well,
Either that or you're spitting on me. I don't know which.
you know, we're apt to get some.
That's right. We're have to get some. So anyway, all right. Well, we'll check it again. Well, we're going to do some video right here looking for dolphins. There they are right there. Pretty exciting. There's 3 of them. Yeah.
I leave what's left of last night behind.
Welcome.
Thank you. A big welcome to our viewers. We're just approaching Staniel Key.
Oh,
And you can see we got some weather behind us.
Oh, really? I thought we were at the restaurant having burgers.
Fish, no burgers.
Good. No burgers. Okay, I'm gonna switch away from you real quickly, but I'm coming back. Okay. Here we go.
That is some serious wind.
And how fast are we going?
You better ask the captain.
About 8 knots.
Okay. There are waves here. I gotta tell you, this is a very nice riding catamaran. With all these waves and all this wind, it is very comfortable. Wonderful. Definitely.
I had timed our arrival to be right at slack tide to make an entry through the cut into Staniel Key so easy. But a squall appeared at the last minute and the winds built and the waves built, and all of a sudden it became quite a challenge to get the sail down and headed through the cut.
This is a wild ride. Another big one coming, Randy.
Big one coming.
Good job, Randy. Thanks for staying with us.
It's going to drop off here in a couple of yards.
Yeah, we get to get really close to shore in a minute here, so I think once we kind of get to those houses there, it's going to really drop.
Okay. We've got Steve here. Hey, buddy.
That's the boat.
That yacht, is that yours? Steve coming in for the Barracuda. Sure he's going to nab it the first time.
Good.
Good.
So we had quite an end of day, didn't we?
Randy, I was afraid for you. You're climbing in big wind. The boat was now it's not. What do you call it when it's going back and forth, front and back?
Oh.
The way it's because it's not.
Well, we were kind of seahorsing.
We were seahorsing. Pretty
Yeah.
dramatic.
Yeah.
Pretty dramatic. Pretty big. What do you think the winds were?
Winds were about 20 knots.
About 20 knots.
Yeah.
And the waves, we had some waves that were definitely bigger than 5 feet.
Oh, no, Craig. The biggest wave was 5 foot, right, Steve?
12 feet. At least
No,
12 feet.
You're just like,
I think
you know, you and Lisa would get along great. Lisa would say, those are 25 foot waves.
I thought we were going
Sorry,
down.
dear.
I thought we were going down for sure.
Oh, see, now that's what Lisa would say. I thought we were going to die.
Lisa, I know. Randy's downplaying it because he doesn't want you to be afraid when you know you're not with him, right? He's downplaying it. You know, we almost sunk.
And then, hey, Steve. So, Steve got our mooring ball today, and
Steve was a hero.
yep, he was our hero.
Like
He
2
grabbed
inches
it.
taller.
He wouldn't let go, Lisa. He grabbed it and wouldn't let go, and,
Yep.
and now we're safely moored. So.
Yep. I'm gonna have to learn from the master.
Yeah, I told him, Lisa, you're the best. Like,
Yep.
it took 3 of us to do your job, dear,
That's right.
but we did it. So, Craig, it was a good day. What else did we see today?
It was a great day. I don't even remember.
The dolphins.
Oh, the dolphins. That's right. There were dolphins. Yeah, 3 of them.
Oh, didn't we see the Miami Dolphins? Oh, I think they're the Staniel Key Dolphins.
And Steve, with his eagle eyes, he found them for us, and they were circling 3 dolphins.
Yeah.
And it was pretty amazing. You got some great video on it because you were at the very front of the boat. And so we're going to be seeing some of that, which is going to be really exciting.
Absolutely. So, I guess we're here at Staniel Key, and it's about 6:30, 6:45. We got in at 6:30, which is the time we kind of projected actually to help us some good wind. Here, we're ready to go to the yacht club for dinner tonight, and it's 5 o'clock somewhere right now.
That's right.
So
That's why I'm drinking my beer right now.
that's right, root beer.
Oh, is that what you got me? Oh,
Absolutely.
I don't think they trust me with alcohol. This was crazy.
So where are we going tonight?
We're going to the bars.
We're going to Staniel Key Yacht
Staniel
Club.
Key
The
Yacht
bar.
Club.
The bar.
That's right.
Okay.
And behave ourselves.
Okay. And then, oh, Steve's taking a shower. Sorry,
let's
dear.
get- we
He's
need-
waving at you, though.
Oh.
So we're at the Staniel Key Yacht Club at the bar and restaurant, one of our family's favorite places to hang out after a long sail. And we're here, everything's happening. It's kind of crazy tonight, lots of music, lots of people, great food, and we're of course all hungry, right? Long day.
It's been a long, hard season.
Here in Staniel Key, and it is raining. Okay, so what are you doing, Craig?
I am Gallagher, you know, that's it. I'm contributing to the team the best way I can. So this morning we had ham and cheese omelets, and you had turkey and cheese omelets. So it's cooking away, and just looking forward to do my little part. And you liked yours, Randy,
And
right?
Steve's enjoying his coffee,
No one
Made by Craig.
made by Craig.
No, I think I made the orange juice.
Made orange juice.
So we're back at the island again. Just looking around. Ships. And we have a friend here. I think it looks like a shark. It is a shark. More beautiful ships. And we look down here, there are more friends of ours. Wow. And now, here comes the 5th one. We're having a natural conversation, right? That's good. And so, and what's your name?
Deirdre.
I'm Craig.
Okay, nice.
Very
to meet
nice
you, Craig.
very nice to meet you.
Yes.
So anyway, this is your mom's store,
Yes.
which is a lot of inventory. She's
yes,
put. We're gonna walk.
getting there.
I'll walk around here a little bit, and you can see this is really cool.
What's your wife's name?
Julie.
Okay, Julie.
Ju-
I'm from the Exuma Keys.
Oh, that's great. And so and her last name. My name is Andrews, so she's Julie Andrews.
Oh, okay.
But she's not the Julie
Julie
Andrews.
Andrews,
She's just
yeah.
Julie Andrews. And so you're helping your mom out, and you're actually working too. I mean, this is your
Yes.
job, and you live in Nassau.
Yes.
And so how do you get here every day?
No, I live here.
Oh, you live here.
Yeah,
But
so
you.
you can travel back and forth. Like I go once a month.
Oh, okay. Well, and we're sailing to Nassau from here, I think.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it'll take 3 days or whatever. I don't know.
Nassau's more like the city.
Yeah, but no, I like this better.
Yeah.
I really
more
do.
laid back.
Well, it's so cool. It's wonderful, and it's beautiful. It's just so beautiful here. And so if I were to know everything there was to know about this island, what would be the most special part?
The people.
The people. Great answer. Yeah, because the people are very friendly.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Well, I sure hope your business comes back to where you got, or gets to the point you need. Now, my suggestion is that you put up a 30-foot high pole, so everybody can see that you're even here, right?
Okay. I'll make that suggestion.
You make the recommendation to Mom. Hey, this guy came and he just said all we need to do is get a 30-foot high sign. That's it.
But word of mouth is good too.
Yeah, right. Well, this is word of mouth.
Yes.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, where are we headed?
What?
We're going to the grotto.
All right.
Trying to get it in here.
Yep. Thank you, Randy, for doing the video.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. This is great.
Up to the grotto.
About an hour to get there.
Yeah. We're right next door.
They got some yeah. So it looks like got other people wanting to plug their way in and they're dropping their anchor.
Isn't it amazing, Steve? Can you believe all the fish? Oh, the sergeant, they're all around you right now. They're everywhere.
Yeah, they're pecking at my legs.
Oh, are they?
2022.
We're in 2022.
And we're here.
That's right.
Staniel Key.
That's right.
Yes.
I remember. And so last night we had dinner over in the bar side of the restaurant. We didn't know that we were. And now we made reservations so we're over in the fine dining side.
We are.
And it's a bar. The dining has been fun.
That's great.
We got salad and we got bread. And I'm going to go ahead and spin here real quick. And it is just beautiful, beautiful view.
You know, we just had a great day, a little bit of rain, but we got to the grotto today. Had sunshine for that hour that we went.
And so what's the grotto?
So we go through an underwater tunnel, and then there's a hole in the ceiling of this cave, so it brings the sunlight in, and there's just hundreds and hundreds of fish everywhere.
It was fabulous.
Yeah, it was pretty amazing.
Hello, Randy. We're having a quick smoke after our wonderful dinner.
Yep, here we go.
Look at that man with a turd in his mouth.
This is a great place.
So we're still at the Staniel Key Yacht Club.
Hi, Randy. Is this the very first time you smoked a cigar?
Yes.
Now, you smoked cigarettes, though, right?
No.
This is the first time you smoked anything?
Yeah.
Oh, my
Yeah,
God.
that's why I keep asking you.
I think it's time. Okay, we're going to continue to work on this, but I'm sure Randy's a very smart first source, so I'm sure he'll figure it out.
So good morning from Staniel Key. We thought we'd wake up to a real rainy morning, but actually Steve's sitting there having coffee. We're enjoying our coffee, and actually we're just kind of looking off to this direction where we're headed towards Norman's Key. Thanks for watching. This week's episode was pretty action-packed. We had a great time. The grotto was unbelievable, and Craig found the sharks, as you saw, and again, the dining was awesome. So thanks for joining us. Next week, we go to Norman's Key, and it also will be pretty adventurous, and then on to Nassau. So thanks for following along. Stay tuned for more.